Hello YouTubers, I'm Paris. In the previous video we have learned that how you can open second activity uh, in Untitled Studio. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can send data from one activity to another activity. So now let's get started. First I'm going to create a new project, so new project, and I call it, for example, send data, and this is the project location and this is the company domain. Click on next, and I'm using API level 21. Click on next and choose empty activity. Click on next and finish. So I'm waiting now for the project. Okay guys, so now this is our project, and we have our main activity.java and activity main XML. So now we need to give a simple design for our main activity. First I need to add an edit text, so a plain text in here. Let me add it in here, and let me make the layout constraint, because I'm using constraint layout. So by default on Untitled Studio, when you create a project in Untitled Studio, by default it's constraint layout, but you can change to linear layout or relative layout like this. So this is our edit text, and you can see I have the ID of edit text for this. I don't want to change the ID. Just I'm going to, if you open this edit text XML file, this is the ID. I need to remove this name because I don't want, and I want to give a hint. So Android hint, and in here please enter data like this. So now let me just make it a little bigger. Now I need to add a push a button, so like this, and now make it first constraint to our edit text. So this is our button, the ID is button, I don't want to change, and just I want to change the text. So this is our button, the text I want to change it to send data, and also I want to give an on click, so on click, and I call it send data. Just I'm going to copy this and paste it in here, and make a method in here, so public void send data, and I need to pass view in here, view parameter, like this. Okay, so now I have, in the previous video I have showed you that how you can send data, how you can open second activity. So now the first thing I need, I'm going to get the edit text, so ID, so edit text, I call it edit text, and in here edit text dot find view by ID, or dot ID dot edit text, like this. And now in here the first thing I need, I'm going to create a string name, because I want to get the edit text from my. So before this let me just create my second activity also, because I need that. Right click, activity, and empty activity, I call it second activity. Okay, our second activity is created. Now in the second activity I'm going to just let me open the layout mode, the design mode. I want to add just an text view in here, so let me make it constrained like this. So now open the text, and I need to add some. So you can see the ID is text view, so I don't want to change. I need to just give Android text size to 30sp and Android text color to Android color, for example a red light, and Android text style to the bold. Also I don't need the text in here, so it should be an empty like this. Okay. Now in the main activity, the first thing I need, I'm going to get the from this the text from this edit text so that I have created in my main activity. String name, or you can call it, let me call it string data, and edit text dot get text, and I need to convert this to string like this. Okay, so now I'm going to create an intent. So intent, let me import, okay, intent, and let me import this intent first, new intent, and in here we need a context, so get base context and our second activity name, so second activity dot class. Okay, so when you want to send data from your one activity to another activity, you need to use put extra. So intent dot put extra, and you need to give two parameters for this. The first one is the key, so you need to give a unique key. Let me create in here public static final string, and you can give, for example, let me call it key, and it should be a unique. You can use your package name or whatever you want, so like this, unique key. So the first data is we are going to give the key, and another one is the data that we want to send, so it's data like this. Okay, and after that you need to start the activity. So start activity, and you need to give the intent in here like this. So now open your second activity. In here we need to get the data. So first I need to create a text view. So text view, I call it text view. Also I'm going to copy just this key, so because I need this in the second activity. So now the first thing you need, so text view, find the ID of the text view, so find view by ID, or dot ID dot text view like this. And after that, now we need to create okay, so okay, so now we need to create an intent object in here. So intent and we need to get our data from the intent, and after that let me create a string data, and you can use intent dot put extra string. So put extra, so put extra, oh sorry, get extra, get a string extra. So and in here you need to give the key like this, and at the end we need to set this data to our text view. So text view dot set text, and we are going to add our data in here. Okay, so now this is the code. Let me just run this, and in my virtual emulator. So guys, I think unfortunately send data has stopped working. I have a problem. Let me just check this, that where is the okay guys, I have checked the log cutoff on Redis Studio, so you can see I have the error in main activity.java class in line 19, so in here. So if you see, I have mistakenly and here given dot, I don't know why, but like this. So the log cut of unregistered u is the best that you can check your errors. So you can see that it's telling me that null object reference. So now let me just run this and okay, now guys, this is our application. If I write something and if I click on send data, so you can see this is our second activity and we have sent the data to the text view of our second activity. So for example, you can write please subscribe my channel, and if I click on send data, now you can see this is the data that I have sent to the second activity. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel and also like the video.